Welcome. How are you, student? I am your Jahida ma'am. Today I will teach you complex to simple and vice versa. Since as when কোনো কাজ করার কারণে বা দ্বারা বুঝালে ওই অংশের ভার্বের সাথে আইএনজি বসে। Since the old man killed the bird, he brought bad luck. Here we can see killed. So here killed verb. So we have to use ing killing. As I had forgotten him, I didn't recognize him. Here we can see forgotten. So we have to use forgetting. Saw seeing. In this way we have to make sentences. Rule 2. Since as when কিছু হওয়ার বা ঘটার কারণে বুঝালে বা থাকলে ওই অংশের সাবজেক্টের পর এবং অ্যাডজেক্টিভের আগে বি ভার্ব এর পরিবর্তে বিং বসে। Here we can see is. So we have to use being here. Since the water is hot, we cannot drink it. The water being hot, we cannot drink it. Here was be verb, so we have to use being. When the sun is set, we will in party. Here is, so we have to use being. Here since অবলিক এস যুক্ত বাক্যে সাবজেক্ট একই হলে এবং ওই অংশ হওয়া বুঝালে বা কোনো দোষ বা গুণ বুঝালে বিকজ অফ বসে প্লাস ওই সাবজেক্ট এর পজিটিভ বসে প্লাস বিং বসে। সিন্স হি ওয়াজ স্মল হি কুডেন্ট ওয়ার্ক হার্ড। হিয়ার সিন্স since. So we have to use because of, and here he nominative case, so we have to use its possessive case his. Here was helping verb or be verb, so we have to use being. As she was alone, here she, so we have to use her, and was be verb, we have to use being. As, so we have to use because of. In this way we have to do these sentences. Here we can see when the food arrived, she started eating. Here when, so we have to use on the arrival of. Relative pronoun, here who, when, where, which, that, whom থাকলে রিলেটিভ প্রোনাউন উঠে যায় এবং ওই অংশের ভার্বের সাথে আইএনজি হয়। The writer lived in a cabin that belonged to the orphanage. Here belonged and that relative pronoun, so we have to use belonging. We don't use that. In this way, we have to do this sentence. When দ্বারা সময় বোঝালে। When it was daylight, I was out. Here, when at daylight. When it was 2 o'clock, I started my journey. Here, at 2 o'clock, I started my journey. At. ঋতু থাকলে when উঠে যে in বসে in the spring. বয়স বোঝালে when উঠে at the age of বসে। if যুক্ত বাক্যের শর্ত এবং নাবোধক বোঝালে without বসে এবং ওই অংশের verb plus ing হয়। Here we can see if you don't work hard, you will fail. So we have to use without instead of if. In this way, we have to do this sentence. if যুক্ত বাক্যের শর্ত এবং হাবোধক বুঝালে by বসে এবং ওই অংশের verb plus ing হয়। Here we can see if, so we have to use by working. It is affirmative sentence, so we have to use by working. So that থাকলে so that উঠে যে to plus verb বসে। In this way, we have to do this sentence. Here, so plus adjective plus that থাকলে to plus adjective plus to plus verb বসে। He is so weak that he cannot work. He is too weak to work. He is so honest that he did not take the money. He is too honest to take the money. Though although থাকলে in spite of সত্ত্বেও বসে ওই অংশের সাবজেক্টের পরে পজিটিভ হয় ওই অংশের verb plus ing হয়। Though he is honest, he is poor. In spite of his honesty, here we can see he. Instead of he, we have to use his. Because here, in spite of preposition. After preposition, we have to use possessive case. And here, honest, adjective. So we have to use here honesty noun. In this way, we have to do this sentence. Though he has vast wealth, he wants more. In spite of having simple to compound and vice versa. All of you look at the page and here we can see drinking water. The writer began to write. Here began past tense, so we have to use here past tense, and here we have to make two clause, principal clause and subordinate clause, and here cannot, present indefinite tense, so we have to use is, present indefinite tense. We have to make different clauses. In this way, we have to do these sentences. Here, could past tense, so we have to use was. Now, all of you look at the page. Here, to. Instead of to, we have to use very. In this way, we have to do these sentences. Here, without working hard, you cannot shine. Here, without negative sentences, so we have to use cannot. It's affirmative sentence. In spite of his being ill, here his. So we have to use he. His positive case, and here he nominative case. All of you look at the page and write down it. Have you finished? Now, all of you try to do this. After some times, I will give the answers of these questions and then you have to match. Have you finished? Now, match your answers. Have you finished? I will give you homework. Now, thanks to all of you try to stay at home because of coronavirus.